PC components went through a lot of structural changes throughout this decade, and so did PC chases. Currently, you will find lots of visually stunning unique PC cases for your gaming setup. With tons of options available to you, it is quite normal to get overwhelmed. So in today's video, we are going to showcase 5 of the best unique PC cases to make your life a lot easier.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the Antec Torque, a high-octane concept chassis that has extensive water cooling capabilities and a visually stunning design. This futuristic PC case is topped with hinged aluminum cockpit, which brings up the preciseness in details, and the 4mm tempered glass side panel will let you display your internal components in full glory. It is spacious enough to hold motherboards of most sizes and can even support GPUs up to 450mm in size, which will give you the independence to choose components without worrying about chassis capacity. With the open airflow design, up to 6 120mm fans and 360mm radiator, as well as extensive liquid cooling support, heating issues is the last expected problem that you can have from this chassis. The I/O panel is located at the top and has a USB 3.1 Type-C port that will give fast and efficient connectivity. If you are about to build your dream gaming PC and are looking for a futuristic gaming chassis with water cooling support, then the Antec Torque is the right one to go. Next up at number 4, we have the Pyramid 804 by Azza, a pyramid-themed PC chassis that lets you beautifully showcase your GPU with vertical mounting. Built with durable SPCC and thick aluminum, the entire pyramid foundation of this chassis is quite sturdy, and you will find the 4 tempered glass side panel design amazing for showcasing your PC components. The chassis is compatible with most ATX motherboards, has 3 internal storage drive bays, and can vertically mount GPUs of up to 300mm in size. As for its cooling capabilities, it supports a total of 4 120mm fans and radiators of up to 360mm in size, which will let you find enough to keep your system cool. On top of that, it has an isolated PSU chamber, which will enable you to efficiently store your PSU and prevent heat from affecting other components as well. The I/O panel is located at the bottom of the glass panel and has 2 USB 3.0 and 1 Type-C port to grant you faster data transfer and connectivity. If you are looking for a PC chassis with a vertical GPU mount feature to brilliantly showcase your stunning GPU, then you will find the Azza Pyramid 804 a perfect fit. At number 3 spot, we have the D-Frame 2.0 by Inwin, a unique heavy-duty PC chassis that represents off-road motorcycle style to amazingly showcase your PC components. Made of steel tubing, anti-flip foot pads, and an air-cooled engine-shaped PSU, This sturdy chassis will give you an off-road motorcycle-like vibe. This chassis has enough space for housing EATX motherboards and graphics cards of up to 415mm in size, which you will find highly expandable for future upgrades. As for cooling, this unique PC case can support up to 5 120mm fans and radiators of up to 360mm in size, which will provide you with amazing thermal solutions so you can rest assured. On top of that, this chassis comes with a custom-built 1065-watt power supply to keep your PC components powered up and running. The I/O panel is located at the top of the chassis and has 3 USB ports, including the latest USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C that will allow you to transfer data at a rapid speed. If you admire off-road motorcycle racing and are looking for a PC chassis with immense customization options to build your gaming PC setup, then you will find the D-Frame 2.0 quite appealing to your taste. Heading our way to number 2, we have Conquer 2 by Cougar, an ultimate gaming PC chassis that has integrated RGB lighting effect. Featuring distinctive metal frames and detachable sub-chassis design, you will find this case distinctive from traditional ones while making your installation experience convenient. The broad internal space supports most motherboards, including CEB ones, for dual processor setup and can vertically mount GPUs of up to 400mm in size, hassle-free. This amazing chassis is capable of supporting up to 6 120mm cooling fans and radiators of up to 360mm in size, which will allow you to effectively overclock your system. It is equipped with Cougar's new Trilux technology for a dynamic and powerful integrated RGB lighting that will go along quite well with the rest of your RGB components. The I/O panel is located at the top and is USB-C compatible and has 2 additional USB 2.0 ports as well for fast and convenient connectivity. If you are going to build an RGB gaming setup and are looking for a unique RGB chassis to go along with, then we highly recommend the Cougar Conquer 2 for you. Finally, at number 1, we have the AH T600 by Thermaltake, a helicopter-themed dynamic PC chassis that you can use for almost any type of build including gaming and productive purposes. Forged with a sturdy Air Force-styled architecture and 2 5mm tempered glass panels on both sides, you will find this chassis quite sleek and futuristic. The sophisticated design of this high-octane chassis can support motherboards up to EATX and has vertical GPU mount capability thanks to its patented rotational PC1 PCI E8 slot. The open frame design provides outstanding airflow, and if that's not enough for you, it can support a total of 10 120mm or 7 140mm cooling fans, which will give you an outstanding cooling performance. Additionally, you can install radiators of up to 420mm as well. The I/O ports are located at the top and have a total of 4 ports, including USB 3.1 Type-C and 2 USB 3.0, which you will find quite handy. Whether you are considering building a gaming PC or just planning on getting a second desktop setup for productivity, you will find the Thermaltake AH T600 ideal for both. Five best unique PC cases that you can get for a visually stunning PC setup. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.